Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. From the home screen, press left on the remote. Navigate to and select Settings. Select all settings. Navigate to and select Connections. Navigate to and select Network. Navigate to and select Network Settings. Select Wireless. Select your desired network. Enter the Wi-Fi password for the network when prompted, and then follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the network. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.